The manager has bought some stationery for the office using his personal credit card. He would like the value credited to his members' director's loan account. So the full value will become now a liability. So we are going to credit the members' or director's loan account with the full amount. The stationery will be debited with the exclusive amount, and the tax will also be debited with the tax amount. So let's go and do that. We're going to click on Process, we're going to click on Journals, and we're going to go to the General Journal. Just again, make sure your settings is correct. Make sure the tax processing is on, and we click on Close. If I look at this slip from Mario Stationery Store, I will see that happened on the 15th of March. The account now is the member's loan. The description was for stationery. Tax is 01 and the full amount is 297.25. It will be credited, and the contra account is printing and stationery. Enter. In other words, your members' loan account will be credited by 297. Your stationery account will be debited by 260.75, and your tax will also be debited by the tax amount. Now you have to go and update your journal batch.